Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti. Today, I am going to share my daily routine with you in English. I will speak slowly, and you have to repeat after me. This video will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. So, let's start our day together. Good morning, everyone. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up early every day. I don't like waking up late because I want to start my day fresh and active. After waking up, I stretch my body a little. Then I open the window and enjoy the fresh air. Do you wake up early or late? Tell me in the comments. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I still wake up on time because discipline is very important. I usually say to myself, today is going to be a beautiful day. Now it's time to brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel fresh and active. While brushing my teeth, I think about my plans for the day. Sometimes I listen to soft music in the morning. It makes me feel relaxed and happy. Morning routines are very important because they decide how our whole day will go. Now I prepare to take a bath. I choose my towel and clothes first. Then I go to the bathroom. I really enjoy warm showers in the morning. They make me feel relaxed and energetic at the same time. Sometimes I sing songs while taking a bath. Do you also sing in the bathroom? I think many people do that. After taking a bath, I feel completely fresh. I dry my hair and apply some skincare products. Then I comb my hair neatly. I love this peaceful morning time because everything feels calm and positive. Sometimes I drink a glass of water after my bath. It is good for health. Then I look at the clock and continue getting ready for the day. Now it's breakfast time. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. Today, I am having toast, cereal, fruits, and coffee. Sometimes I also eat poha, upma, or sandwiches. I always try to eat healthy food because health is very important. While eating breakfast, I check my phone and read messages. Sometimes I watch motivational videos during breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Tell me in the comments section. Now it's time to get ready for office. I wear my office clothes carefully. Then I choose my shoes and accessories. I pack my office bag and check everything twice. Laptop, water bottle, keys, phone, everything is ready. Then I stand in front of the mirror and say, "You can do it." Confidence is very important before starting work. Now I am ready to leave for the office. Before leaving, I switch off the lights and lock the door carefully. Sometimes the roads are busy in the morning. People are rushing everywhere. I enjoy watching the morning atmosphere. On the way to the office, I listen to English podcasts or songs. It helps me improve my English.